Good morning, everybody. It's Ben with Larkin Outdoor Lighting. Beautiful day in Canonsburg. Wow. And yeah, we're at this job. It's a unique situation. Fortunately, this neighborhood got hit with lightning, and this house got almost directly struck, at least the area around it. And so they called me. We have done some work for them in the past, and they said their lights just shut off and stopped working. And so I came out, troubleshoot the issue, and the transformer is totally fine, has all power, and the wire says it has power as well, but it wasn't giving any to the fixture. And so we're thinking, okay, maybe the fixtures went bad. They didn't. And it's this phenomenon called phantom electricity, where the wire reads that it has voltage, but it actually doesn't. And very interesting. So lightning crushed everything. So we are here today just rewiring all the lights, keeping the lights in the same spot, and yeah, thought I'd share kind of a unique situation and pretty cool to do this. But it sucks for the homeowner. I feel bad because it's totally unfair. But anyways, have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you next time. See ya.